Your education, career, marriage, relationships, children, where to live, and so much more are all choices you have to make. These tips will help you make good choices. So how do you make the right choice? 1. Set beneficial goals. Choices are easier to make when you have goals set. This makes it easier to determine if the voice you are trying to make aligns with your goals or not. 2. Identify all alternatives. Just because you were presented with 2 options doesn't mean those are the only options you can take. Taking the time to look at all available options will ensure you make better decisions because you are looking at all the information available. 3. Weigh the pros and cons. Often we want to only look at the positives of a choice, but to make the right choice we need to look at the positives and the negatives. You have to look at the good and the bad and weigh both options to know you are making a wise decision. 4. Select the best alternatives. When looking at alternative choices, select the best option. Sometimes that won't be the easiest or the cheapest choice, but you have to choose the best alternatives. When you start with the best alternatives, you have a better chance of making the right choice. If you found these tips helpful, then like the video and share it with someone else who needs to make better choices. Think of Zig Ziglar's quote on the consequence of choices. He drew attention to how we have the freedom to make choices, but we cannot flee the result of our choices. This statement is valid considering the implication of the decision we make today. Be very cautious in your decisions and consider the impact on yourself and others. Also, be ready to face the consequences and move on. Note that a choice that is right for you might not be right for someone else. Follow these tips, and you'll make wise decisions that you can live with. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to like this video.